here's where I have a lot of people want to cross multiply. Because they see a fraction equals a fraction. But you cannot work with both sides at a time. So that's a big no-no. Okay? And I have a lot of people that want to do this too. Cancel, cancel. Hey, that's not true with the equation, but you can't work with both sides. So I need to pick a side. Now in this case, what side do you want to pick?
Left.
Left? It doesn't matter in this case, does it? They look about the same. It's okay, it doesn't really matter. We'll do the left. A lot of you on the quiz tried to tell me that 1 plus cosine x is sine x. Or something like that. It's not even close to being true. So, let's think. Strategies here. Pretty limited in what I could try.
Can you try the conjugate?
That's exactly what I'm going to try. Because I can't change the sines and cosines. There's no fractions, so I can't do common denominator. I can't get C. There's nothing to pull out. There's nothing to factor. So I'm kind of limited. Let's do the conjugate. Don't do it right here, because the first step is just rewriting your equation. Don't do it up there. So I'm going to times by 1 minus cosine x. Here's what I saw a few of you try to do the conjugate on the quiz, and have the right idea, but execute wrong. This is times, correct? So when I multiply, please put parentheses. Because I have a lot of people only multiply like the first term. You have to distribute. So I get sine x minus sine x cosine x up top, right? When I distribute those two. On the bottom, let's FOIL that out. I have 1 minus cosine x plus cosine x minus cosine squared. You have to put parentheses if it helps you, because we have to distribute. Okay. Now what?
Leave 2 cosines.
Cosines cancel.
And then it's sine at the bottom.
Exactly, and I'm glad you said that. But one step at a time. I've got to show that those are now gone. That's where a lot of us are going to struggle. We know where we're going to go, but we've got to show what we're left with. Now I'm going to go ahead and substitute that for sine squared. Okay. Now what could I do?
Divide each term.
I could divide each term, but I'll give you a hint. I mean, yes, that will work. However, something easier. If I divide each term, that will work. I just bring it back together. Because look where I'm trying to go. I'm trying to go here, right? So if I divide each term, it's going to give me 2 terms, but I'll eventually have to go back to 1.
Well, like terms?
I could factor. What do the top have in common?
Sine.
Sine x. I'm left with 1 minus cosine x all over sine squared. 1 of the sines cancel. I'm left with 1 minus cosine x over sine x, which, is the right-hand side. Cool, let me show you. If you would have done divide each term, you got sine x over sine squared minus sine x cosine x over sine squared. It would have canceled here. You would have had 1 over sine. Canceled here. Cosine over sine. You just then would have had to bring them back together to the common denominator. So you're splitting them apart just to put them back together. Which is fine.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? It's fine to do that, but... Questions? It's got to be perfect like this. 1 step at a time going down. This is a final draft. Okay, I'll talk more about that in a second, but... Yeah? Let's do a U-try.